How to turn off location tracking on your phone. First, if you're using an Android phone, open the Settings app and tap Location. Then turn off the Use Location toggle. This will disable location access for all apps and services until you turn it back on. Um, if you're using an iPhone, open Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, followed by Location Services. To disable location tracking completely, turn off location services at the top. You can also scroll through the list of apps and customize each app's location access by selecting Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, Don't allow, depending on the options available. Keep in mind that turning off location services may affect features like navigation, weather updates, ride-sharing apps, and Find My. That's it. You've successfully turned off location tracking on your phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more privacy tips, smartphone tutorials, and easy tech guides.